This video is for the Module 5 lab, experimenting with the built-in accessibility on my computer. So one of the abilities that I was experimenting with was the narrator, so the screen reader, which would be good for anyone with like a learning or reading disability or a visual impairment. So you can go into your settings, find ease of access, narrator, turn on, and then it even tells you
starting narrator,
what it is, what it does.
Settings window.
Another built-in accessibility feature that I experimented was high contrast. So this could be good for someone with a visual impairment. When I was experimenting with it,
Settings, high contrast, 3 of high contrast theme, none. Editable combo box, collapsed. None. 1 of 5, selected. High contrast theme, high contrast number 2, editable combo box, selected. Disabled.
Okay, I guess I should have turned off the
High
narrator.
contrast number 2, 3 of 5, selected.
Okay, maybe not. Okay, now I'm going to go turn the narrator off.
Settings, narrator, 1 of 7, selected, select on, exiting narrator.
Just for a minute. So there's the high contrast, and what I found interesting is that, you know, my screen was already blank here, but it looks very different down here. But one thing that I noticed is that it's so much easier to see like what your cursor is hovering over. So I just wanted to point that out. And then the third thing that you said we needed to do was the on-screen keyboard. So I do not like the high contrast. I'm going to go turn that off. I'm gonna go turn on the on-screen keyboard and then go to Google and model a search. So you can see we've got some word prediction going on up here. AT4, oops, there was already a space. I'm not good at this. Or hearing, there it is, impaired. And just like that, I felt myself wanting to jump to the regular keyboard. And there are our searches. I'm kind of interested to see how much is read. So I'm going to go back and turn the narrator or the screen reader on.
Starting narrator.
I'm trying to go back to my Google search and find an article maybe.
Narrators, for hearing impaired, Google search, Google Chrome, tooltip, task view.
Wow, everything. It reads everything. Okay, maybe my computer's just not cooperating.
Hearing assistive technology, devices to help hearing impaired. Hearing assistive technology, devices to help hearing impaired.
Okay, so there's all three examples.